This is the OnePlus device. We successfully flashed by Auth, OnePlus supported tool. As you can see, 23% remaining, 24% here. We can plus OnePlus any type of devices. We will do it remotely, okay? %47 running. This is OnePlus 10 for 5G. I'm flashing with OnePlus supported tool V2.5.19 Snapdragon, as you can see here, SM8450. An export file is here. স্পেস করো তাহলে একটা কাজ করো তো আচ্ছা না পরে 74%. As you can see, flash completed. You may now disconnect it. I am trying to disconnect the phone to my clients. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching.